Mi TV 4's 65-inch with 4K HDR10 Plus screen, Android 9.0 TV launched. Mi Air Purifier 3H debuts as well. Mi TV 4's 65-inch model on Friday made its debut during Xiaomi's online event. The new Mi TV 4's model comes with 4K and HDR10 Plus support. The smart TV also packs DTS HD and Dolby Audio sound experience. In addition to the Mi TV 4's 65-inch version, Xiaomi unveiled the Mi Air Purifier 3H that is touted to deliver a significantly improved air purification performance through an upgraded clean air delivery rate (CADR) of 380 cubic meters per hour. The new Mi Air Purifier also has Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support. Mi TV 4's 65-inch Mi Air Purifier 3H price availability details. The Mi TV 4's 65-inch price is set at Euros 549, roughly Rs. 45,900. It will be available for purchase in European markets through authorized Mi stores starting June. The Mi Air Purifier 3H price, on the other hand, is set at Euros 179.99, roughly Rs. 15,000. It is slated to go on sale soon, though exact details are yet to be announced. Also, the price and availability of both the Mi TV 4's 65-inch and Mi Air Purifier 3H in India will be revealed at a later date. Mi TV 4's 65-inch specifications features the Mi TV 4's 65-inch variant, runs Android 9.0 TV, and comes with an IPS display panel that supports HDR10+ and has 4K resolution. The display also has 85% NTSC color gamut and MEMC support. Further, the TV has 2 GB of RAM and comes with 16 GB of onboard storage. There is also a smart home hub with access to OTT apps such as Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube among others. Moreover, the TV has Google Play access to let users download a range of available apps. In terms of connectivity, the Mi TV 4's 65-inch model has 3 HDMI ports, 3 USB ports, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth support. The TV also includes Chromecast support and comes bundled with a voice remote control. Additionally, it sports an aluminum frame along with a carbon fiber pattern back panel. The TV also comes with two 10W speakers available in a ported box. In 2018, Xiaomi launched the Mi TV 4s in 43, 55, and 75-inch options. Those models had 8 GB of onboard storage. Mi Air Purifier 3H specifications features alongside the Mi TV 4's 65-inch model. Xiaomi brought the Mi Air Purifier 3H that looks quite similar to the Mi Air Purifier 3 that was launched in India in November last year. The new version has a true HEPA filter that is claimed to capture 99.97% of dust particles of as small as 0.3 microns in size. There is also a smart OLED touch display that offers real-time AKI monitoring. The air purifier can also be connected to a smartphone via the Mi Home app to operate its controls remotely. Furthermore, users get Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support for voice controls. Mi Air Purifier 3H comes with real-time AKI monitoring through its OLED touch display. The Mi Air Purifier 3H is designed for a room of 45 square meters. It is touted to deliver 6,330 liters of purified air per minute using the new air duct system. There is also a high-precision laser PM sensor that can detect microscopic particulates and report changes in room air quality in a real time, as per the company claims. Additionally, the air purifier produces as low noise as 32 dBA using the brushless motor that draws 38 W of power. Although the Mi Air Purifier 3H comes with the upgraded HEPA filter, it does have backward compatibility and can work with existing Mi Air Purifier filters. The device measures 240 x 240 x 520 mm and weighs 4.8 kilograms. The Mi Air Purifier 3H is designed as the successor